how to fix the shortcut keys are not working in Windows 11. So if you're trying to press a key combination on your keyboard and it's not working, I'm going to show you how to go in and solve this issue. Now, first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up your Start menu and then click on Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Accessibility, and then you'll need to scroll down this page and click on Keyboard. Now make sure the sticky keys are turned off and disabled like this. You also need to make sure the filter keys are turned off, and then go and close out of this window. Now open up your Start menu again, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to Keyboards and go and locate your keyboard from the list. Now go and right click on this and press Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for Drivers and press Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select either the HID compliant device or the keyboard device and press Next. Now once you've installed this, you can check to see if your hotkeys or your shortcut keys are now working. If it's still not working, try holding down the FN key on your keyboard and also pressing the F10 key at the same time. Once you've followed all of these steps, your shortcut keys should now be working.